Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we will be discussing the best mirrorless cameras currently available on the market. If you're looking for a compact and feature-packed camera that delivers excellent image quality, then you're in the right place. Mirrorless cameras have been gaining popularity over the past few years, and for good reason. They offer some of the most advanced features and technology, making them a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the top mirrorless cameras from various manufacturers, comparing their specs and features, and giving you our expert opinion on which camera might be the best fit for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video will provide you with valuable insights and information that will help you make an informed decision when it comes to choosing the best mirrorless camera for your needs. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video to see all the features in action, and also check the link in the description to find the best deal. Let's get started. Number 6. Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a mirrorless camera that was introduced by Nikon in 2019. Here is a detailed description of its features. Sensor. The Nikon Z50 has a 20.9 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which is smaller than full-frame sensors but still delivers high-quality images. Processor. It is equipped with the X-T4 image processor, which provides fast performance and efficient processing. Autofocus. The Z50 uses a hybrid autofocus system with 209 phase detection autofocus points covering approximately 90% of the frame, ensuring quick and accurate autofocus even in low light conditions. ISO. The camera has a native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, which can be expanded up to ISO 204,800. Video. The Z50 can record 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second, and Full HD video at up to 120 frames per second, which is great for slow-motion video. Image stabilization. The camera does not have in-body image stabilization but can use lenses with vibration reduction (VR) technology to stabilize images. Display. The camera has a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD with 1,040,000 dots, which can be flipped down for selfies or up for high-angle shots. Viewfinder. It features an electronic viewfinder with a 2.36 million dot resolution, providing a clear view of the scene. Connectivity. The Z50 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for easy sharing of images and remote control of the camera via the Nikon Snap Bridge app. Size and weight. The camera is relatively compact and lightweight, weighing approximately 397 g with the battery and memory card included. Overall, the Nikon Z50 is a highly capable mirrorless camera that is well suited for travel and everyday photography. Its compact size and lightweight design make it a great option for photographers who want high-quality images without the bulk and weight of a full-frame camera. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix S1R. The Panasonic Lumix S1R is a high-end full-frame mirrorless camera that was introduced in February 2019. It is the flagship model in Panasonic's Lumix S series, which is designed to compete with other full-frame mirrorless systems such as Sony's Alpha series and Canon's EOS R system. At the heart of the Lumix S1R is a 47.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which is capable of capturing extremely detailed images with high dynamic range and low noise levels. The sensor is paired with Panasonic's Venus Engine image processor, which enables the camera to shoot at a maximum ISO of 25,600. The camera features a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that compensates for camera shake when shooting handheld. This system works in conjunction with lenses that have optical image stabilization to provide even greater stabilization performance. The Lumix S1R is designed to be a professional-grade camera, and as such, it features a rugged weather-sealed body that is built to withstand tough shooting conditions. The camera is also designed with ergonomic controls and a large electronic viewfinder that provides a bright, high-resolution view of the scene. In terms of autofocus performance, the Lumix S1R features a high-speed, high-precision autofocus system that uses advanced algorithms and deep learning technology to accurately track and capture moving subjects. The camera also has a number of autofocus modes, including face detection, eye detection, and animal detection, which make it well suited for portrait and wildlife photography. Other notable features of the Lumix S1R include a high-resolution 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display, dual memory card slots, one SD and one XQD, and 4K video recording capabilities. The camera can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, and it also supports 10-bit 4:2:2 recording via its HDMI port. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix S1R is a high-end, professional-grade camera that is designed for serious photographers who demand the best in image quality, performance, and durability. Number 4. Nikon Z7 II. The Nikon Z7 II is a high-end full-frame mirrorless camera that was released in 2020 as a successor to the original Z7. It comes with a host of upgrades and improvements over its predecessor, making it a compelling choice for professional photographers and serious enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Z7 II is its 45.7-megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail and dynamic range. It also has a fast and accurate autofocus system with 493 phase detection AF points that cover 90% of the frame, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Another key improvement over the original Z7 is the addition of dual memory card slots, which allows you to use two SD cards for backup or extended storage. This is particularly useful for photographers who need to shoot for extended periods of time or need a backup of their images while shooting. The Z7 II also has improved battery life, with the ability to shoot up to 420 shots on a single charge. Additionally, it features a high-resolution electronic viewfinder with 3.6 million dots, which provides a clear and accurate preview of your shots. The camera also has a robust weather-sealed construction, making it resistant to dust, moisture, and other environmental factors. This makes it a great choice for photographers who need to shoot in challenging conditions. In terms of video capabilities, the Z7 II can shoot 4K UHD video at up to 60 frames per second, and 1080p Full HD video at up to 120 frames per second. It also supports 10-bit N-Log and HDR, HLG, output for more advanced color grading in post-production. Overall, the Nikon Z7 II is a powerful and versatile camera that offers a range of advanced features and improvements over its predecessor. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast looking to take your photography to the next level, the Z7 II is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Fujifilm X-T4. The Fujifilm X-T4 is a mirrorless digital camera that is designed for both professional and enthusiast photographers. It was released in 2020 as an upgrade to its predecessor, the X-T3. Here are some of its features. Image sensor. The X-T4 features a 26.1-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, which is back-illuminated and has a low-pass filter. Image processor. It is powered by the X-Processor 4, which provides fast and accurate autofocus, continuous shooting up to 15 frames per second, and 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. Image stabilization. The X-T4 features in-body image stabilization, IBIS, that compensates for up to 6.5 stops of camera shake, making it easier to shoot handheld in low light. Autofocus system. It has a hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection autofocus, PDAF, with contrast detection autofocus, CDAF, for fast and accurate focusing. Electronic viewfinder. The X-T4 has a 3.69 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder that provides a clear and bright view of the scene. LCD screen. It also features a 3-inch tilting LCD screen with touch functionality that can be used to select focus points and navigate menus. Video recording. The X-T4 can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second or Full HD video at up to 240 frames per second. It also has a microphone and headphone jack for audio recording and monitoring. Durability. The camera body is made of magnesium alloy and is weather-sealed to be dust and moisture resistant. Battery life. It has a high-capacity NPW235 battery that can shoot up to 500 frames per charge. Overall, the Fujifilm X-T4 is a powerful and versatile camera that offers high-quality images, fast autofocus, and advanced video recording capabilities in a compact and durable body. Number 2. Canon EOS M6 Mark II. The Canon EOS M6 Mark II is a high-end mirrorless camera designed for enthusiast photographers and content creators who are looking for a powerful, compact, and versatile camera. It features a sleek, modern design with a durable magnesium alloy body and a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold and shoot for extended periods. At its core, the EOS M6 Mark II is powered by a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that delivers stunning image quality and exceptional detail. It also features Canon's latest Digic 8 image processor, which provides fast performance and improved noise reduction, even at high ISO settings. The camera has a native ISO range of 100 to 25,600, which can be expanded up to 51,200, making it suitable for shooting in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the EOS M6 Mark II is its autofocus system, which features 143 autofocus points that cover nearly the entire frame. The camera also has eye detection AF, which can automatically focus on the subject's eye, making it ideal for portrait photography. Additionally, the camera has a fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF system that allows for smooth and precise focusing, even when shooting in 4K video. Speaking of video, the EOS M6 Mark II is capable of recording 4K UHD video at up to 30 frames per second, as well as full HD video at up to 120 frames per second for slow-motion playback. It also features a microphone input for better audio quality and a headphone jack for monitoring audio during recording. The camera has a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, EVF, that provides a clear and detailed view of the scene, even in bright sunlight. The touchscreen LCD display can be tilted up 180 degrees for easy selfies and vlogging, or tilted down 45 degrees for shooting at low angles. The camera also has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to transfer images and control the camera remotely using the Canon Camera Connect app. Other notable features of the EOS M6 Mark II include a burst shooting mode of up to 14 frames per second with continuous autofocus, a built-in pop-up flash, and compatibility with Canon's EF-M lenses, as well as EF and EF-S lenses via an optional adapter. Overall, the Canon EOS M6 Mark II is a highly capable and versatile camera that delivers excellent image quality, fast performance, and advanced features in a compact and lightweight package. It's a great choice for photographers and content creators who demand high-quality results and flexibility in their camera equipment. Number 1. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is an upcoming mirrorless camera from Canon that is highly anticipated by photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Here is a detailed description of the camera's features and capabilities. The EOS R10 is expected to feature a full-frame sensor with a resolution of at least 45 megapixels. This will enable users to capture highly detailed and sharp images with excellent dynamic range. The camera is also expected to feature Canon's latest image processing engine, which will allow for faster processing speeds and better noise reduction. One of the most exciting features of the EOS R10 is expected to be its autofocus system. It is rumored to feature a next-generation autofocus system that will be highly accurate and fast, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera is also expected to feature a high-speed continuous shooting mode, which will allow users to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. The EOS R10 is likely to feature a built-in electronic viewfinder, EVF, with a high resolution and refresh rate. This will allow users to preview their shots with excellent clarity and accuracy. Additionally, the camera is expected to have a vari-angle touchscreen display that will make it easier to shoot from different angles and positions. The EOS R10 is likely to feature a robust and weather-sealed body, which will make it suitable for use in a variety of shooting conditions. The camera is also expected to have a wide range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C. This will make it easy to transfer photos and videos to other devices. In terms of video capabilities, the EOS R10 is likely to be a highly capable camera. It is rumored to be able to shoot 8K video at 30 frames per second, as well as 4K video at 120 frames per second. The camera is also expected to feature a range of advanced video features, including in-body image stabilization, focus peaking, and zebra patterns. The EOS R10 is expected to be compatible with Canon's RF lens mount, which will give users access to a wide range of high-quality lenses. Finally, the EOS R10 is likely to come with a range of advanced shooting modes and features, including HDR mode, multiple exposure mode, and time-lapse mode, which will allow users to create unique and creative shots. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is shaping up to be a highly capable and versatile camera that will appeal to both photography and videography enthusiasts. With its advanced autofocus system, high-resolution sensor, and wide range of features and shooting modes, the EOS R10 is sure to be a popular choice among photographers and videographers alike. For more detail, follow the link given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.